I could be who you want, cause I know that I.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make fried buttermilk chicken. So let's get to it. So to start, we're going to be marinating our chicken, and I have drumsticks, but you don't have to use drumsticks only, you can use whole chicken, and this is broiler chicken. Then I have Greek yogurt, but if you do not have this, you can use normal yogurt or buttermilk. Then I also have ginger and garlic paste, salt, coriander powder, paprika, and cumin, of course. So we're going to mix all of them together. Then we'll let this sit for, let's say, 20 to 30 minutes. But if you have a time, then I would recommend you do this overnight so that the flavors really get into it. I'm just going to put everything together. So our chicken is looking good. I'm going to cover this and let it marinate for about 30 minutes just for the purposes of the video. But on normal occasions, I would leave this overnight. Yeah, so once 30 minutes have passed, we're going to come back and I'll show you guys the next steps. So I have the chicken with me. Our chicken is ready. Then we have all-purpose flour, egg, and then breadcrumbs. Then we also have just the same spices that we used to marinate the chicken. I'm going to add in the eggs and the flour, just so that our chicken is more flavorful because it's been a really short time marinating it. So I'm going to put a bit of everything there. And the salt. And also don't forget to season your eggs. And then the paprika, I'm going to put it in the breadcrumbs. Just for that really good color. Mix that up. So it's very simple. We're going to dip the chicken in the flour so that the eggs is able to really stick on the chicken. So in the flour, then in the eggs, then the breadcrumbs, then I'm going to deep fry. Simple as that.
I could be who you want, cause I know that I need to be happy too. And then things turn to dust when I bluff just to mess up and tell the truth. All I hear is an echo, turn the words that we say to ammo. Sleeping on my side of the bed though, weeks have gone, can't let go. I go crazy when you call my name, make me lose my game. When you call my name, I go crazy, cause I can't escape when you call my name.
So once you deep fried your chicken, we are going to finish it off in the oven just because this was not boiled before. And as you can see, the drumsticks are quite fat. So just deep frying it will not make the chicken be fully cooked. If you don't want to do this process, or if you don't have an oven, you can pre-boil the chicken before dipping it in the pots, then deep fry. But since I didn't do that, I'm going to finish it off in the oven at about 180 degrees. And that's it for today, guys. Please try out the recipe and let me know how you find it. You can tag me on my Instagram page at Nelly's Kitchen KE. Like, comment, and share. Until next time, bye.